Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you today. This is a bullet journal weekly setup. I have this kit I'm going to be using this week. This is my Leela kit. It's designed with my daughter in mind because it's her 4th birthday this week. So it's all her favourite things. We have unicorns, fairies, sparkly things, and lots of pink. Not my favourite colour, but it's hers, so I'm going for it. So here's the first page, and next page, third page, and the final page. There we go. I'm going to be using watercolours for my backgrounds, and I'm going to mark everything out with this Staedtler Pigment Liner 1.2. And I'll do that first because, as I said in previous videos, it's waterproof, so I can go over the top and I don't have to worry about trying to draw over the watercolours because sometimes that can be really rough. I'm going to stop waffling and get on with it. So here's the final spread. I have my to-do list and my meal plan for the week. This will be just Leela's birthday, because it's her birthday this week. Then we have Monday, Tuesday. Lots of deco I've managed to kind of spread around, and I made a big picture. This here is my Leela. It's her birthday, so I put her next to a unicorn with some balloons and a party hat, of course. And then we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I've used the weekend banner. I'm not quite sure if I like it or not, but it's down. I've used it. There we go. I'll show you what I have left of the kit. So I have some quarter boxes and some appointment labels, lots of little things, and some boxes and checklists and flags. Then I have some more check boxes, some icons, a half box, some more half boxes, a couple of headers, and some icons and some quarter boxes. So that's what I have left, and there's my final spread. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Okay, so here's one of the new releases. This week it is my Mother's Day kit. So this is the Erin Condren version. It's a full kit. You get your full boxes, your little things, your half boxes and quarter boxes. I've added extra quarter boxes in here, so you get loads more boxes in this new reformat. Checklists and some quarter boxes at the bottom there. Your deco icons, a couple more checklists and some half boxes. Then you get some headers, bottom washi. I really like this bottom washi. Date covers, weekend banner and some half boxes. And then here's your header sheet with a few extra bits of deco as well. So that's the full kit. It also comes in a mini kit slash bullet journal kit. This is the one that I use in my bullet journal. So there's your first sheet, your second sheet, third, and your final sheet. And this is the reformatted mini kit, so you get this bigger weekend banner and a couple of extra quarter boxes there as well. And finally it comes in a Hobonichi Weeks kit. I use this one in my Hobonichi. So there's your first page and your second page and your third page. So these kits will be out on Saturday. The other new releases this week are Bob's camera, and you can get them in normal size sheet, normal size icons, or the mini icons. It's a smaller sheet. You can see the size comparison there. So you get Bob with the camera, and then you get a little camera as well. I've been using these for kind of sightseeing trips and bits and pieces, but you could use them for photography or picture days, anything really that kind of involves a camera. So that's the new releases for this week.